Metal furniture could be made by different processes. The dominant method is welding, which is an indispensable process that plays a vital role in manufacturing, construction, and various industries. The different welding techniques, including arc welding, resistance welding, gas welding, and laser welding, offer versatile solutions for joining metal components. Welding ensures the structural integrity, safety, and longevity of structures and products. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of contemporary metal furniture and metal decor ideas you can make for profit. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel to never miss these inspirational furniture and decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us to grow our channel and give you more content in return. Applications of metals span across industries such as manufacturing, construction, aerospace, automotive, and art. By providing efficiency, customization, and economic impact, metal welding continues to contribute to technological advancements and social progress. As the field of welding evolves, it will remain a cornerstone of modern industry, supporting innovation, infrastructure development, and economic growth. Furniture making is also one of these sectors. Metal furniture is known for its exceptional durability and longevity. Metals such as steel and aluminum are resistant to wear, tear, and impact, making them highly suitable for furniture that needs to withstand heavy use or outdoor conditions. Metal furniture is less prone to damage, warping, or cracking compared to other materials, ensuring a longer lifespan. As mentioned above, welding is one of the most popular methods used in furniture making. It is used to fabricate and assemble metal components and structures. Welding ensures the integrity, strength, and durability of metal structures. It also allows for the creation of custom-designed solutions, enabling manufacturers to meet specific requirements and optimize production processes. Metal furniture provides excellent strength and stability, making it ideal for supporting heavy loads. Metal frames and structures have high weight-bearing capacity, ensuring that the furniture remains sturdy and secure. This is particularly important for items like chairs, tables, and shelves, where stability is crucial for safety and functionality. In addition to furniture making, welding has found a place in the art and design world, where it is used to create sculptures, decorative pieces, and architectural elements. Artists and designers utilize welding techniques to manipulate metal and bring their creative visions to life. The versatility and the strength of metal welding allows for the realization of intricate and unique artworks. Easy maintenance is one of the good features of metal. Metal furniture is relatively easy to clean and maintain. Unlike wood, metal is not porous, which means it is less susceptible to staining or absorbing liquids. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water is usually sufficient to keep metal furniture looking clean and fresh. Additionally, metal finish such as powder coating or protective coatings can enhance resistance to scratch, rust, and corrosion. Speaking of corrosion, metal is also weather resistant. Metal furniture is highly resistant to weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use. Metals like aluminum or stainless steel are particularly known for their ability to withstand exposure to rain, sunlight and temperature fluctuations without rusting or deteriorating. This makes metal furniture a durable and low-maintenance option for outdoor spaces such as patios, gardens, or balconies. With regard to design versatility, metal offers design versatility allowing for a wide range of styles and aesthetics. It can be shaped, bent, and welded into various forms, enabling the creation of intricate and unique designs. Metal furniture can be sleek and modern, industrial, or even ornate and decorative, depending on the desired look. Additionally, metal can be combined with other materials like wood or glass, ceramic, and so on to create interesting and visually appealing combinations. Metal furniture is also recyclable. Metals can be recycled and repurposed multiple times without losing their properties or quality. Choosing metal furniture promotes resource conservation and reduces the demand for new raw materials. Additionally, metal furniture's durability and long lifespan contribute to a reduced need for replacement, further minimizing waste. Metal furniture is often lightweight, which makes it easy to move and rearrange as needed. This can be particularly advantageous in situations where furniture needs to be frequently repositioned or restored. Lightweight metal chairs, tables, or folding furniture are popular choices for events, outdoor gatherings, or commercial spaces that require flexibility. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked contemporary metal furniture and metal decor ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.